Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing this. This is the Lenovo Legion 5. This is one of the top gaming laptops on the market at the moment. It's got one of the best reviews out there. You'll find many YouTubers talking about this laptop, comparing it to many other gaming laptops out there. This is price to performance, it beats majority of them. So what we're going to do today, we're going to unbox this. We're going to see what you get in the packaging, and we're going to also go through some of the specs of the model I have and the other specs that you can get. So let's get straight into it, guys. So guys, what we're going to do is first open up the box. So I purchased my one from Argos, and I had purchased it on sale. And just to let you know, guys, Argos currently have Tech-10. Use that code. It gives you 10% off any laptops that you buy on Argos, including accessories for PCs and for laptops as well. As you can see, you got the Lenovo seal just here. Just gonna cut that open. So guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna lower the box down and we'll get the contents out. Let's do this. We'll put everything on top of the box. Going to move the box slightly back. So on this side, you pull out a brown box. It's quite a heavy box, bloody mind my language, guys. So once you pull that out, it's quite a heavy box, guys. I'm guessing this is the power brick. Yep, I'm right, this is a power brick. So if you have any other standard connectors for your PC, you'll find that it should work with this. And then you've got your actual power brick itself. So the downside to the Lenovo is, one of the feedbacks I've seen is that they give you one power brick whatever laptop power you get. So even if you've got a high graphic, low graphic, they give you the same power brick, and as you can tell, it is a beast. It's a 300 watt power brick. It's huge, guys. If you're planning to travel with this, good luck. That's all I'm gonna say. As you can see, it uses a proprietary connector, but the good thing about the laptop, from my understanding, is that you can charge it through PD on the Type-C connector on the actual laptop itself, so you don't have to carry something like this. But yeah, this is the power brick. So next, I'm guessing it's going to be the laptop. I'm just pulling it out as it is, guys. So there's this little thing on top. So this is the Legion sticker. They give you, I've seen other reviews, they will normally give you 2 of these. So there's one right here. Before we actually look at the laptop itself, what else do you get in the box? There's this, the Legion. I'm guessing it's a warranty or manual. Yeah, it's just to get started, quick guide on how to get started. Probably need to look at this. This is the first gaming laptop I've bought. What else do we get inside the box? I'm guessing it's the exact same thing in other languages. Yes, it is. It's just another same identical. Anything else in the box? I can see one other thing. I'm guessing it's maybe the warranty slip. Yeah, so it's the warranty from Lenovo. So you do only get the one sticker. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a sticker person. I wouldn't stick this on. It's not the best. I've seen better ones online that you can buy, but yeah. So guys, I found another sticker in the box. As I did say, there should have been 2, and there is. Not sure if you can pick it up on the camera, but it does say Legion, and it's got this little blue Legion logo on it. So yeah, that one's pretty cool. It's got the clear, and it's just got the writing with the little accent of blue. Should have packaged this a bit better, but yeah, there you go. So guys, let's just take it out, this black packaging. Just to let you know, guys, this is a heft. This is a 2.98 kilo laptop. That's heavy. Even for me, it's got a lot of weight behind it. But as I did mention, it is a 17.3-inch display. So it's a full immersive display that you can use for gaming, content creating, and watching. So as you can see, I've got this blue color. It's got the Legion sign on one side and it's got Lenovo on the other. So as I mentioned, guys, it's very heavy. So let's just quickly open it up. The advice that was given is to open this laptop up from the center and not from the edges, just because it could damage the hinge in the long term, and I do want this to last a while. So as you can see, let me just show you again. Should be able to open this with one finger. Because it's quite a weighty laptop, it shouldn't lift. So I am opening the screen with one finger, and as you can see, this is not lifting up. And that was quite a nice, smooth experience. Let me just get this into shot. So as I mentioned, this is a 17.3-inch full HD display. So that's 920 by 1080 IPS display. This does support Adobe Vision, and it also has 144 Hertz refresh. So that's very good for the gaming side and also for video editing and content creating. So you do have a small trackpad, but they have done another model with a bigger trackpad, but the complaints were that the trackpad will pick up your palm and it doesn't have the best palm rejection. So when you're typing, your palm will accidentally hit the bigger trackpad, where with this one, because it's smaller, you don't have that issue. So what else? The keyboard itself, the keyboard is backlit, but this model here is not RGB. This is just a white backlit. So if you press Control and C, you can change the brightness of the white light, and you can get that in 3 options of brightness. So this laptop uses the AMD Ryzen 7 series, and it has the 58000H processor. So this is a octa-core processor. I've seen other laptops for around this price coming in quad-core or hexa-core, and to have an octa-core processor is going to be amazing for video editing and rendering as well as gaming. So this goes from 3.2 gigahertz processor speed, and you can burst speed this to 4.4 gigahertz. So when you need it at its peak performance, you can boost it to 4.4. The model I have here comes in 8 gig, 16 gig or 32 gigs of DDR4 RAM, and I have it in dual channel. My model here has the 16 gigs of RAM. Storage wise, I have 512 gigabytes of SSD M.2. In the RTX3060 graphics card. You can also get this in the 3070, and the reason why I got the 3060 is because it has the 6 gigs of RAM, which is the GDDR6. But the reason why I did get it, price to performance, it beats all the other ones. Doesn't make sense for me and my purposes that I don't need a heavy gaming laptop. This will still run at ultra high a lot of the games out there. Any other game you can put it on to medium setting and you'll be fine. So ports wise, guys, let's just quickly run through everything. So you've got your power button, what's at the top. This model here does not come with a fingerprint reader, which is a bit annoying. It does have a little switch at the top here that you can slide to cover your webcam, so good for privacy if you've got any concerns. Other than that, you get nothing else at the front. The trackpad, I'm just going to quickly check how it is to make sure there's no loose ends. As you can hear the clicking. No, there's no extra flex, so which is really good. So let's just quickly close this lid. Guys, let's just quickly look at all the ports on this. So let's start on the left hand side. On the left hand side, you get a USB-C. This is a 3.2. You get a headphone jack. This USB is not a PD, so it's not a power delivery, so you can't charge through this one. On the right hand side, you get your SD card reader, so it's a full-size SD card reader, which is good for anyone who's taking photos or anything like that. They can just shove their SD card straight in. You also get a USB-A. Again, this is a 3.2. So you get one of these on the right hand side. And what you'll notice is you also get your vent. So you get a vent here and a vent at the front here. And again, that's the same on the left hand side. So looking at the back, the one thing I did really like about the Lenovo Legion 5 is that, and majority of the Lenovo laptops, is the fact that you get majority of your ports at the back, which is where you would want it. You wouldn't want wires hanging out the side. You just want to be connecting SD cards and storages and other peripherals at the sides, not your general wiring. So on the left hand side, as you can see, you get a Ethernet connector. This is a 1 gigabyte Ethernet connector. You also get another USB-C, but this one is a power delivery. It makes sense, it's at the back, so you can charge through this and not use that massive power brick. You get another 1, 2 and 3 USB-As, again 3.2. You get a HDMI and you get the proprietary charging unit there. So that's quite a lot of ports, but it is quite a big laptop. So that was it, guys. That was a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Legion 5. Really does look nice, guys. Really nice. What I'm going to do is, I've got tons of videos to go through what accessories to use with this. I'll be doing my ultimate gaming setup on a budget. Everything I do, guys, is always on a budget. It's price to performance. Don't waste money on things that I don't need. So yeah, guys, so if you like this video, guys, please like and sub. Like I said, following contents will include speaker upgrades, gaming mouse, gaming keyboards, gaming headsets, gaming mat, RGB, pretty much anything and everything I can do, I will do, and I'll put these videos up soon. So if you like this video, guys, please like and sub, and peace out.